Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP saw a little bit of selling pressure come in, which is good because we're currently in resistance, but it's not enough selling pressure to really say that the uptrend has finished, the local uptrend. So we're going to take a look at that. We show the bearish case, which is currently the primary expectation, and then we also take a look at the the bullish count, which is currently not preferred, but it will certainly become much more likely above 54.7 cents. And let's zoom in. So the idea is that a B wave topped here on the 26th of March. We came down in a 5-wave move, which I consider a wave 1. We're now moving up in a wave 2. Then we should come down in a 3rd wave, move up in a 4th, come down in a 5th, ideally taking us below 28 cents, which is the June low of last year. So that would be the ideal scenario, but surely this can morph a lot, this can change. I do expect it to change because the entire structure that XRP developed of the June lows last year has been rather corrective. So you get a lot of headwind, a lot of up and down, and it can certainly carry on for a bit, also in unexpected manners, because it is a correction. And in corrections, the market hasn't made up its mind yet, and you can get a lot of up and down, but we can follow the structure that we can identify. If I go to the 1-hour chart, we can see, and yesterday I provided you with a micro count of this move to the upside, basically of the move that started on the 8th of May here to the upside. We said that in this wave 2, we are looking at an ABC structure, A wave, B wave, C wave. Did provide you with a micro count here for the second wave, wave 2, C wave, and in the wave C, we're looking at a 5-wave move. So I had a wave 1 complete, we had a wave 2, where we counted a wave W, an X wave, and the Y wave as a triangle. Wave 3, we said is probably complete. Wave 4, we said must be complete as well, because if it's not, then this setup will fail. So the 50-cent level was the level that, if it would hold, would send us higher, which it did in a possible 5-wave move, but it could also get one more squiggle to the upside. That's why I said earlier already on Telegram and Discord that if we get a break below 50 cents now, it would be a good confirmation that the top was in. We have rallied further into resistance, but we haven't broken resistance, which is at 54.7 cents. And we start to see some signs of exhaustion. We're going to take a look at that now. Definitely some selling pressure. Nice rejection candle up there at 53.5 cents. We have a possible 5-wave move up, however, only as an ending diagonal, and therefore I think maybe one more move up could be happening. But again, it must hold the 50-cent level. If it breaks below that, we have, I think, decent confirmation that this wave 2 has topped and that the 3rd wave to the downside has started. But until 50 cents breaks, this can still extend higher. We, however, see bearish divergences on the chart. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. You can see it here quite clearly. We pushed higher on the chart, but a significantly lower high on the RSI, and also it left the overbought range. It also crossed bearish on the RSI 4-hour and on the MACD 4-hour. Bearish divergence on the MACD as well. Let's go to the daily chart. Here, we don't really see any, let's say, bearish signals yet, even though we see a small bearish divergence on the daily, so it might be a first hint that things are changing, but still the RSI still looks fairly bullish. Also the MACD still pushing, even though a first daily bar of reduction of daily bullish momentum is occurring here. But for now, this is not enough to say we have definitely topped. However, on the 4-hour, we start to see some signals. But again, that is not enough. It could even be, even though I don't expect that, but it could even be that this 4th wave is still evolving as a running triangle. Running triangle means that one of the waves in the triangle, well, the B wave, does overshoot the previous high and can create some fake outs, okay? It's actually quite a bullish signal. It often happens in a wave 4, and it just means a wave 5 is still coming. But that cannot be the primary expectation at the moment because it's uncertain. So for now, we're just simply watching the 50-cent level, and against that level, price can still go higher, but please be aware, we are now in resistance. So the next key resistance level is 54.7 cents. A break above that can send us higher to around about 58.4 cents. The short-term bullish count would get certainly more focus if we break above resistance. It is not unlikely, it's also a likely count. However, for me, less likely than the bearish count, for the simple reason that this is a 1-2-1-2 setup. They typically do not occur if the second wave 1 is way too long. So from that point of view, it has less likelihood for me. And also I can count down nice 5 waves. So of course I could count here WXY correction, okay, but it's just sort of in terms of likelihood. If I balance them out against each other, the bullish count for me would have a higher likelihood. The bearish one. But let's see. Main purpose here is to highlight the invalidation points, relevant levels where probabilities are shifting, which I did. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.